Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before I start today, I would just like to remind you guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. That way you guys could get notifications that I came out with a new video. So today's video I'm very excited about because I upgraded my Keurig machine. And you guys know how much I love coffee. So today I will be introducing you guys to my new machine and showing you 3 different ways you could use the machine. So let's get started. So guys, right now I'm going to show you the different things that come with the machine. So you have coffee, you have latte cappuccino, you have your strong machine if you like your coffee strong, you have your shot for your espresso shot, and in the middle, the K, that's just the press to get the water to come out of it. You have your 6 ounce. 6 ounces the smallest cup you can make. You have 6 ounces, you have 8 ounces, 10 ounces, and a 12 ounce is the largest cup you can make. Also, this is where the water comes in. It's very light and easy, as you guys could see. I'll just lift it. And it has a little handle. It comes with a little handle. So all you're actually doing is grabbing it, lifting it, and filling it up with water and bringing it right back. The machine is not heavy at all. It's maybe about, I'll say about 10 pounds. Right here, of course, you guys know you put your teacup in here and the water will come out to make either your cold or your hot drink. Right here, this is the part I'm excited about because I actually didn't have this with my old machine. This is the part where you put your milk in and it foams the milk for you, so you could actually have a nice drink like if you bought it at the store. So you're basically making everything in your own home and it's going to be much cheaper for you to make it. What I love about this is that if you drink whole milk, half and half, skim milk, creamers, whatever kind of milk you use, this actually you could foam any kind of milk and it will come out foamy the same way. So it doesn't matter what kind of milk. You don't have to get, it could be almond milk, it could be any kind of milk. Whatever milk to your liking you like, you could actually use this and it will foam the same way. And the little piece in here, of course, that's to help make the foam. So I don't know if you guys could see it clear, but then you have your latte and you have your cappuccino. So it actually comes with the line to let you know if you want to make a latte, you fill it up to the latte line. You want to make a cappuccino, you fill it up to the cappuccino line. And right here, you have your 3 buttons. You have your latte, you have cold, and you have cappuccino. So that's it. So I'm going to show you guys 3 ways you can make, 3 different ways you can make your coffee or latte or cappuccino. So guys, the first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be making a hot cup of coffee. So to make the hot cup of coffee, I will be using Taster's Choice coffee. So I'm going to just put 1 spoon into the cup. I'm going to put it here. My machine is already turned on, so I'm going to hit coffee and I'm just going to press, I'll press a 10 ounce. And now I'm going to just press the middle with the K, and the water is going to come out from my regular cup of coffee. So the coffee is done. I'm just going to put a little tip of creamer. And stir it around. So I put my cup there already. And I'm going to open. I'm gonna put my K cup now. close the lid and I'm gonna do a shot of espresso. And now I'm gonna press the key. So I have my shot of espresso here. I'm gonna show you guys this now. I have my shot of espresso, so I'm gonna make a cappuccino with my espresso. So I'm gonna just show you guys. I'm gonna take my milk, my creamer, and I don't know if you guys could see it. I think you guys could see it well. I'm gonna fill up my milk to my cappuccino line. So I put my creamer to the cappuccino line, and now I'm gonna just press cappuccino on the machine. Can you guys see how it's whipping the milk? So now it's all done. When you hear 2 beeps, that means that it's all done. So I'm gonna lift it. You see how foamy it is? And I'm gonna just pour it into my cappuccino now. And this is number 2. So for the last one, I will be making myself an iced latte, an iced pumpkin spice latte. So as you guys can see, I already have the ice in my glass already. I'm gonna still use this little part, the little machine part, for my latte. Now do you guys see the latte line? So I'm gonna pour my same creamer up to the latte line. I'm gonna cover it. And the difference now with this is that I'm doing everything cold. So for this one, I'm gonna put my K-cup, another K-cup in. So I'm gonna press Latte and Cappuccino, and I'm gonna press the K sign. And for this little machine here, I'm gonna press cold. I'm gonna press latte and cold. So I'm gonna press both buttons, the latte button and the cold button. So it's ready to be poured in. So guys, this is the first one. This was just a regular hot cup of coffee. This is the second one, the espresso shot, the cappuccino espresso shot. And this is the last one, the ice caramel pumpkin latte. And I just actually put a little bit of whipped cream and a little bit of caramel on top, just to give it that extra special look.